Morning students, in this class I will be doing class 9 Samachir Kavi syllabus or matriculation syllabus, 4th chapter geometry, exercise 4.3, 5th sum. In a circle, AB and CD are two parallel chords with center O and radius 10 cm such that AB is equal to 16 cm and CD is equal to 12 cm. Determine the distance between the two chords. So a circle is there. So in that two chords length is given, that is parallel to each other it is given. So length of AB is given as 16 centimeter. So this is given as 16 centimeter and length of CD is given as 12 centimeter. Determine the distance between the chords. So the center is given, the radius is given as, radius of the circle is given as 10 centimeter. So for this, so we will make it as a triangle. So all these are radius. So this is the center point O. So the radius is given as 10 centimeter. We are asked to find the distance between the, determine the distance between the two chords. So this is the chord and this one is the chord. So these are, this dotted line is the distance between the chord. So that we are asked to, that length we are asked to find. So we will make that as E and F. Okay. So the length of chord AB and length of chord CD is given. So if we join this line, that is OF and OE, if we are joining, that is perpendicular to the chord. So the perpendicular distance, that is the perpendicular distance from the center point. So that will be 90 degree. So we will get a right angle triangle. So the perpendicular line will bisect the chord. So length of CD is 12 centimeter. So FD and CF will be half of that. So all these things we will mention. So radius is equal to 10 centimeter. Radius is 10 centimeter. AB is equal to 16 centimeter. And CD is equal to 12 centimeter. So these are all the things given. We need to find distance between the chords. Distance between the chords we need to find, that is EF, length of EF we need to find. Okay, then proof is OF is perpendicular to CD and it bisects CD. Therefore, CD is equal to CF plus FD, that is equal to 6 plus 6 centimeter, that is equal to 12 centimeter. Like this we will get. The same way, OE is perpendicular to AB. OE is perpendicular to AB. So AB is equal to 16 centimeter. So if we want to know EB, that is equal to half of AB, that is equal to half of 16, that is equal to 8 centimeter. So EB is 8 centimeter here and then DF is 6 centimeter here. DF is equal to 6 centimeter. So now we will find the, in triangle, length of OE we will find. So in triangle OEB, OB squared is equal to, that is hypotenuse squared is equal, this is also perpendicular. So OB squared is equal to BE squared plus OE squared. So we need to know the length of OE only. So OE squared is equal to OB squared minus BE squared. So length of OB is 10 squared minus BE is 8 squared. So this is 100 minus 64, that is equal to 36. OE squared is equal to 36. OE is equal to 6 centimeter. So one side length we got it. Then for OF. So in triangle OFD, OD squared is equal to OF squared plus FD squared, that is DF squared. Okay, so OF square length only we have to know. We have to find out. So OD squared minus FD squared. So OD is, length of OD is given as 10 squared minus DF is 6 squared. So that is 100 minus 36, that is equal to 64. OF squared is equal to 64. OF is equal to 8 centimeter. So we are asked to find the length of EF. Therefore, EF is equal to OE plus OF. So OE is 6 centimeter, OF is 8 centimeter. So length of EF is 14 centimeter. So that only we are asked to find. That is the distance between the two chords. So the distance between the two chords is nothing but EF. So we got the length of EF as 14 centimeter. So we are using properties of the circle to find the length of this. Okay. Thank you.